This is not going to work. It's just looking up at the sky. I have to do one of these. And, just hold it out like I vlog. Pure video mode, single lens, Insta360 X5. When you hold a monopole, a tripod monopole, and you have it long, it acts as a stabilizer. And not many talk about that anymore. But I think I'm gonna put you away and get back out the DJI Osmo Nano if I'm doing single video vlog. I'll come back with you until I learn the camera. So I'm on the DJI Osmo Nano. I'm not saying I love it. I'm not saying I hate it. I just had to switch off of it because the X5, I forgot how to use it because I haven't used it in a long time. And I got a problem where, I look at that and I look at this and I look at this and I look at that. Now I got a problem where I don't have a drain issue. 100%. And Extra got back to me and it's still escalating my problem. And they can't find an answer that's going to suit me. Oh yeah, Extra man, the ATO is pronounced like a toe of your foot. ATO, not Atto, not Otto. It's the ATO, because that's how artificial intelligence says the word. And we gotta go by artificial intelligence. I hit the mode on button, then I hit the shutter button, and I shut you off with the shutter button, and my whole camera went off. I wasn't imagining that. Well, anyway, I got this tripod and it's loose. I feel like just gluing down the telescopic part and stop that shakiness. It's kind of bothersome, if asked. Maybe Scotch tape. Scotch tape is super thin to put on, and then just slide it in to stop that, shakiness. I thought I saved my videos, and I put it on the hard drive. I thought I did that. And I went and reset my machine again. I had such an issue with putting a video to YouTube, and it just stood there like no tomorrow. So I had the opportunity to reset my machine, put everything back on, and man, Wondershare Filmora 15 took forever to render. Oh man, so it went from one to the other. A fully clean machine. With a pair of gloves, I could go set up the DJI Osmo Nano so when I do 2 nods, the camera will start. But what if the camera is on, like a windshield mount, and it hits 2 consecutive bumps? Would the camera start? It only would start if it's in the off position and in intervals, and you only have 30 seconds or I think 5 minutes, you could set it up. And I don't think that's a feature I like. But something where your camera's off and it's on your head, and you do the nods, you do the taps, you do a 30-second record. It's like pre-record. Not like pre-record, but in a sense, it'll record when, oh look, there's action. And you're better off just keeping the camera on pre-record for that shot. I think the blinders, they're gonna go on. Yeah, I'm gonna test that out. Put some blinders on. I don't know if you're gonna get it, but I got it. I think I understand my X5. I know I gotta be on 360. It's not about being a single lens. It's about being on the Instaframe 2 And when I figured that part out again, because I totally forgot on the spot, and that's where I get out there with that MP4 file and having to bring it into the studio. I wish they would have just left the name alone and brought it back to the old-fashioned way instead of challenging my noodle. I'm shocked in today's technology that I can't do a hand gesture with the DJI Osmo Nano, but I got the nod, the pat, voice control, and to me, voice control, you say the wrong words, it'll stop your camera. And I don't have it on, I don't like using that, and it has to hear you. It's great with the mic. I know the mic is the remote control, but there is no mic on me today. It's all about the cameras. I'm happy using the cameras. You got a little play in it, the little notch, besides the selfie stick that's got the notch that's playing around. And yeah, I just couldn't get my X5 to work. It's in the pocket right now. And I'm not even interested today, but tomorrow again. I should get a Pocket 4. I'm not going to get one. I should get a Pocket 4. Well, the Extra Muse, second generation, should come out soon after the Pocket 4 gets released. And all this push for the Extra Muse at $374 when the lowest price was $358. When the lowest price of a Pocket 3 standalone was $299. And we're supposed to be where tariffs and DJI and Insta got together to beat the tariffs to help people out, and still overcharging. Still overcharging. I don't think this will work getting so super close. Don't get me wrong. It's an excellent price. It's an excellent camera. You got the money, go spend it. I'm not going to miss out. I got a Pocket 3 away. I got a Pocket 2. It sits like my Insta360 X5. I hardly use it. I only use it when I want to use it for certain things. So I'm not missing out. Well, the Nano is the same thing. I'm going to use it, and eventually it's going to sit to the side. But it is my dash cam for the car when I go out and do little things. And I want to put it on and go away. But wintertime, it's not really going to be a great camera for me because of my clothing, and I can't wear it. Well, I am Fish, and I got to be careful walking on the floor because all this black ice, it is slippery. I hope you enjoyed the talk, the share, the fun, the ride, the hype, that is. I gotta go meet up with Joe, and I do gotta take care of some beeswax. Finally, some beeswax is around, and off I go. Oh, before I leave, do me one favor. Don't touch the screen when the camera's off. Every time you put it away or the screen gets touched, it's gonna use some power over time. And people are gonna cry because they tap the screen to see how much the Vision dock and the camera will get charging. DJI, do us a favor. Instead of a short tap, make it a 3 to 5 second tap. So this way, we don't have to worry about the drain and hear the people cry.